LiQWYD. What's this stupid eyelash now? Something over my eye. Oh, why's it been a nine? Hello. Morning, all crazes. It's Saturday morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Smile a while and keep your face up. Morning, beer face screen. What beer face screen I mean? You see, I need the nails them. I want to need them. What man I need the nails them, baby? What's wrong with the nails? Raise your hands. Stop the surgery, man. And or don't abuse me this morning. Eh? Why the store as me come? When miss man start rude to me already? Queenie, you not sleep. That come like you just see me 5 minutes ago. Why would you say that? Me sleep, baby. Me sleep until me tired. I sleep. If I sleep and tired, I wake up. I wonder which why they can't sleep too much. Teeth them nice, thank you. The man come back here. The man never gone nowhere. Me and the man live a there. Not there, me and the man this are when they gone. You know got to recover house and oh no leave me alone. Love me, man. You stop abuse me so early, fam. I threw my beard out my 2 piece and I said, ah, why? That face fresh, yeah, true. I 3 times my beard for man, you know. The little pipe in there so nice, we just gotta eat it and turn up. Ooh, no hot water, just a normal temperature. Queenie, your heaven nice. Thank you, Queen Lady. Oh, she can't done me, baby. Herself, she don't know she for done me. Oh, she for done me. There's no business like Queen business.
Like a bomb job. It's supposed to look like anything when I want to look like a female that have so many images. Voila. Nanny like me. I like right now. Yeah, me not have Wally to watch me, but it a go on coming to you over your safe today. Yeah, over your safe today for true.
No, TikTok can't do me bad. We can't believe why.
Just all you do when you come on TikTok, make sure you clean. Make sure you clean play. If you have a big boy, just up like Madu man come over they come go.
Just like one of big age woman them.
Yeah. Just up like one of them people they come over the Queenie. Just dress up, cause dress up. Me tell you with the TikTok, a character on TikTok, you know.
There you have P-Earth. Well, how about P-Earth?
Let me see. I love Queenie bad. And you cheese got me dying. You know see that something there.
Cheese man, come over them TikTok. How are you, money cheese?
Yeah, money. To Angela. Hold on. Angel the Queen, bro. Why you see them look so like it have come and pick up on them? Come with infection. Have a half-white, dirty color look. Dirty woman. Remember, dirty sock.
Oh, check.
Angel the Queen, brownie. And you may talk to nobody, girl. I'm supposed to look like any amount of albino because my cream, it works.
Yeah.
Better than you buy color too. You buy color to get it right.
Bad color too.
You not get it right too. My cream name talk to me nice. If you use any form of bad man, if you have any form of bad man in your heart and you hate your neighbor when you use my cream, it'll black your instant. Like a bomb job. It's supposed to look like anything when I want to look like a female that have so many images. Voila. Nanny like me. I come class the way. Say the original Virgo doll, me a black girl that you have do your throat and doing that look me a black hair. Cute.
Them too enough. Them take up the put back.
Yeah.
No, do the Martin and move on the come out to marriage like a hole in the corner. No.
Who is Jesus Christ. Who is Snapchat boss? Big up yourself. Remember, you crazy.
Hey, you see sign where we got banana cheese? Nothing can
Nothing
last in our
can
land.
get with that. You mad? Nothing can get with
We
them. We are
stupid crazy
traditionalists. We
energy
are
alone
human
we
and
have.
animal. Two personality, so.
Yeah. So, yeah.
And we
Them one, yeah.
don't know if we have up dirty people. We class them now and I eat that. Yeah, but we have to draw the line with some of them. Love them from afar.
Yeah, man.
You
And you have to love
favor
them
man.
from distance.
Let me see who this way I say me favor man.
The
The girl you call me man. Hey girl. See how the girl. I saw it go. When God did a work him and move fast and mix up everything in a one. So the woman them, when we get the woman voice and look like woman and go like woman, get the man something. Yeah, but you come as a man and I take the things them what woman take. So girl, now follow me up, girl. Girl, now follow me up. Boy, girl, don't follow me up. I say
hey,
like,
girl, girl, we are trouble cheese. Watch this. Hold on.
yeah. Yeah.
Be careful because I'm really sensitive.
You can't tell me the amount of page we have to bill every week.
I disappear now, cheese. Look.
Yeah.
As I report my life, me understand. No worry. But yo, me tell you this, me no run pitney joke. You see me youth them, me we go 100 all out for them. And me we cross every line and limit for me youth them. Not to mention my wife. Avoid me youth them, bro. When you not speak for me, disrespect me. But love me youth them. Some of them are mothers and fathers too, you know. And no one that for the youth. Do not speak for me youth them or me hear no speak for me youth them. My innocent youth them. When me I grow. You understand me? And remember me telling you, you know, do not cross me. Disrespect me and me are the dog and me are the drunk and me are the everything I want to say. Me accept that. Me I move forward. But you see me innocent little girl them, don't ever speak on them, bro. Me broke a foot for me youth them. You understand me? Me go every limit for me youth them. And this is the only time I go speak on that. Alright.
On my torso.
I feel like you can make, one of those avant-garde outfits or something out of
What do
it.
you mean? We could
Look
jump
at
in.
that.
We could jump in these and sail to Cuba.
Low-key.
There are people walking around.
What size is that?
22, sir. Sir, that's madness.
Wow.
I just thought,
Wall up in cloth jacket.
Them are giant bars.
Jackie, leg off and titty now, man. Leg off. Leg off and titty now, man. Yeah. Pop off, lad.
Don't do it.
What's ya? You don't see what a wicked wall up silver Jackie and can't move.
Tell him man you're sorry, sir.
Tell him all you're sorry, man. Tell him all you're sorry.
Tell him man you're sorry.
That's it.